Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. The real-time protection cannot be turned on or turned off. So if you are having this issue, I'm going to show you how to fix it. First of all, go to your search option and here search cmd, that is the command prompt, and after that go to run as administrator and select yes. And then you have to give two commands on this command prompt. These are the two commands that I will provide it on the description. Just copy the first command here, copy it and paste it here and select enter and wait for the command to finish, and do the same for the second one. Copy the whole thing and paste it here and press enter and wait for the command to finish. After finishing those two commands, your problem will be solved and you can turn on or off your real-time protection. So this is the video. I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I will see you guys in the next video.